Jesu Christ being born in 25 zaka December lese siyakuzo eBethlehem, and growing up having ama apostles wakhe, ama disciples I mean, and then it should have stopped. But still abantu never repented as uNkulunkulu would have anticipated. I'm picking because from Noah, from Noah, all of that happened because abantu were failing to listen to God. And then laba basinda should be abantu abalalela uNkulunkulu in the sheep. But still when they multiplied through reproduction, they still messed up. And up until uNkulunkulu had other people abaloke ba sondeza abantu into him. Still Christ happened. And abantu never repented as much as uNkulunkulu wanted. You see, abantu, they are killing each other even now. Abantu, they are raping each other. Abantu, they are doing all sorts of things. South Africa is in a mess. You can't say still uNkulunkulu wouldn't appoint umuntu who looked like, I don't know, Abraham to fetch izimvu lezeyidukile or to baptize abantu izimvu.
I'm saying ukuthi asikhulumela based in Jesus Christ or in Christianity. What I'm simply meaning ukuthi Putbexisa, we should not normal namasonto lanka akhona. They are there. Remember ukuthi they are there. Some of them umunye umuntu ufike laphana maybe angaboni or ahluphekile or ayini. It's fine. And I'm not criticizing whatever that they're doing. My point is that why do you pray and mentioning umuntu ombona ngamehlo? Like you cannot say Mudimo wa Barnabas. Hence you are reading the word and the word does not say Mudimo wa Barnabas. Phela uNkulunkulu uthi I'm the jealous God. I'm the only God. So why do you make God with another God? On top of that, you are even worshipping ancestors. Kahle kahle wena ume kuphi? You are worshipping ancestors. You are mentioning a God that you see ngamehlo wakho. Hence uNkulunkulu uthe uNkulunkulu neskwele. And when you believe in him, remember ukuthi sometimes people are lacking something. You can use umuthi wokuthi whether umuthi wesintu or umuthi waka doctor. If uyuza uthembile ukuthi uzophola, uzophola. As asho nasezweni lakhe ukuthi your little faith, if faith elikana ngelisuba lanali, you can move this mountain. He just wants you to believe in him and tell him. And uyasho ukuthi ngomlomo yethu siyaphila, ngomlomo wethu ukhuluma ukufa. So why do we have to have something that oyibambayo ngesandla just to see ukuthi this is God? That is why uSatan azodlala ngathi azoyenza ukuthi kube nabo shembe that you see and you think ukuthi no, shembe is God, Barnabas is God, lanka amanye amasonto they are God. It's not like that. Now what he tried while he's talking about Abraham, he was just trying to show us ukuthi those people, they used to exist and I used to do 1 and 2 and 3 kubo. So now manje ngikholwe and do that. Remember ukuthi abo Abraham, something that God loved about them is the way bebamthemba ngakhona. Bebamthemba even in the last minute, they trusted God. So Tina, we are failing to trust God even in our last minute. In our last minute, umuntu angavela manje athi yazi ngine plan so wazi ukuthi today maybe it's your last day, but umuntu afika athi no asenze kanje, you'll do it. By doing that already you are doubting God. Remember ukuthi uPeter walked in the water, but because of ube nokudoubt he sank. But if he didn't doubt bese kafikile kuNkulunkulu. So lapho noNkulunkulu yasibonisa ukuthi thina into esiwisayo ethembeni lethu or into esimisayo ekholweni kwethu ukuthi sifuna izinto esiphathekayo. Who said that tea literally will make you upola? Because of now, I can go to a Pick n Pay. I'm sorry if I'm mentioning I'm a brands lang kulang soon. You can go to Pick n Pay and buy a chamomile tea. But you sleep. But chamomile tea has a lot of things and it helps.
Yeah, but angithi so what do you say ke kumuntu o elimpolisile itiye?
Into engishoyo
because ama comments ngiyawazi bazovela ama comment athi usisi ukhulumani because mina ngiliphuzile letiye ngaphola.
Uliphuze itiye because of you had that faith. Into ekupolisi awupholiswanga ulikhanyana, upholiswe yifaith yakho. Yokuthi I believe ukuthi while I'm drinking this tea, even some plain simple water, If you ithemba lakho ulibeke lonke kuNkulunkulu, God will save you in the last minute of the hour. He will save you because of you are trusting in him. uNkulunkulu uyasho ukuthi I'm a jealous God. Akusu uNkulunkulu okumele ukuthi umthembe. You know there are some people like even though singaba in an accident, noma ngasho ukuthi wathi Mudumo Barnabas, you are lying. The first word oyishoyo if ungena utholi accident, you mention God's name. Why are you mentioning God's name?
Is your creator.
Exactly.
DNA yankulunkulu is in you in a way. That's why
Exactly.
umuntu ane conscience, I believe. That's why even nomuntu wenza into wrong, uyazi ukuthi wenza into wrong. That okay ngesilungu it define as a conscience, but that's God.
Exactly. And
Exactly,
you'll
that's
find
God.
somebody omunye azi ukuthi ayilana ngimesaphile la. But uzomuzwa wathi ashaya umthandazo omncane. Now while you are drinking that tea